Welcome! Today we are making healthy Japanese baked miso shrimp, a light high-protein dinner with savory glaze, tender vegetables, and big flavor without frying. This recipe makes 4 servings, with about 20 minutes of prep time and 11 minutes in the oven. Let us walk through the ingredients, starting with 1 pound of large shrimp, peeled and deveined. Shrimp cooks quickly in the oven and keeps this dish lean, juicy, and high in protein. 2 tablespoons of white miso paste bring the Japanese foundation. It gives the glaze gentle saltiness, sweetness, and deep umami. 1 tablespoon of low-sodium soy sauce adds savory depth while keeping the seasoning balanced and not too salty. 1 tablespoon of mirin rounds out the glaze with mild sweetness and helps the shrimp bake up glossy. 1 tablespoon of rice vinegar lifts the miso sauce with clean acidity, so the final dish tastes bright instead of heavy. 1 teaspoon of toasted sesame oil is enough for aroma. A small amount keeps the recipe light while giving it a nutty finish. 1 tablespoon of fresh grated ginger adds warmth and a clean, zesty bite that works beautifully with shrimp. 2 garlic cloves, minced, deepen the savory flavor and make the glaze more aromatic as it bakes. 1 medium zucchini adds volume, color, and tenderness while keeping the meal light and vegetable forward. 1 red bell pepper brings natural sweetness and bright color that contrast with the savory miso glaze. 2 scallions finish the shrimp with freshness, crunch, and a classic Japanese-style garnish. 1 teaspoon of sesame seeds adds a delicate crunch and a final nutty note over the baked shrimp. Now we will begin preparing the recipe. Preheat the oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit and set the matte black baking dish on the countertop so it is ready for the shrimp and vegetables. Pat 1 pound of peeled and deveined shrimp dry, then move the shrimp into a mixing bowl. Dry shrimp helps the miso glaze cling instead of sliding off. Whisk 2 tablespoons of white miso, 1 tablespoon of low-sodium soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of mirin, 1 tablespoon of rice vinegar, 1 teaspoon of toasted sesame oil, 1 tablespoon of grated ginger, and 2 minced garlic cloves until the sauce is smooth. Pour the miso sauce over the shrimp, toss until every piece is coated, and let it rest for 10 minutes. This short rest seasons the shrimp without making the texture soft. While the shrimp rests, slice 1 medium zucchini into half moons about 1/4 inch thick, so the pieces soften quickly but still keep their shape. Next, slice 1 red bell pepper into thin strips. The thinner cut helps it roast in the same short time as the shrimp. Spread the sliced zucchini and red bell pepper in the matte black baking dish. Keep them in an even layer so they roast instead of steaming too much. Arrange the marinated shrimp over the vegetables in a single layer, then spoon any remaining miso sauce on top. A single layer helps the shrimp bake evenly. Bake at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 8 minutes, until the shrimp are mostly opaque and beginning to turn coral pink around the edges. Stir once, return the dish to the oven, and bake for 3 more minutes. The shrimp should be fully opaque and just cooked through, not tight or dry. Slice 2 scallions into thin rings and sprinkle them over the hot baked shrimp. The heat softens their sharpness while keeping their fresh crunch. Sprinkle 1 teaspoon of sesame seeds over the shrimp and vegetables. This small finish adds crunch and ties the sesame aroma back into the miso glaze. Transfer the baked miso shrimp and vegetables to the matte cream plate and serve hot. This completes our Japanese baked fit shrimp. And there it is, healthy Japanese baked miso shrimp, light, savory, high in protein, and full of color, just as promised. Serve it hot for a quick balanced dinner. If you enjoyed this recipe, like the video, subscribe, and tap the bell for more.